Everyone, Sunil here from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're just working on a lady's property here. We're just cleaning up all these slate tiles. They're beautiful tiles. If you look up here to where I've cleaned, I mean the colours, I mean they're beautiful kind of pastels and browns and violets, and this is what it was like. It doesn't get much sun here, so mold is really not healthy for you. You know, if you are spending time outside in a space, mold is not healthy. It looks ugly, it doesn't reflect light, and it makes the space feel smaller. So I can only encourage you, if you do have spaces that are moldy and dirty, to consider cleaning them up. We can help you. Let me show you here, you know, how much you can see through here, how much lighter this is compared to where we're, you know, cleaning up here. I'll just show you this. We're using hot water for this because the lady doesn't want any chemicals put down on her property, so we have the option of using hot water instead. So I hope that's helpful in terms of showing you the results that we can achieve. Give us a call if we can help you, and I'll see if I can show you an end result once we've finished up here. Thanks for watching.